The Avalon Bell Tent is a premium luxury bell tent that elevates your entire camping experience, so you're sure to be the envy of the campground. This 4-season bell tent is built from our very own DYNADUCK Pro canvas, boasts windows all around, and has a super spacious interior for true comfort in nature. The Avalon always comes outdoors ready. That means when you buy the tent, you're also getting the complete pole set, attached guidelines, a toolkit, and a mallet so you can get going on your trip immediately. Any add-ons you'd usually pay extra for are already built in. These include windows, zippered doors, a stove jack, bug mesh, flooring, and a storage bag for the tent and poles. The tent packaging includes all the poles, metal stakes, and a mallet, so you have everything you need for a quick and easy setup. This tent is made from our innovative and sustainable DYNADUCK Pro canvas, a durable and breathable 10.10-ounce Army duck cotton canvas made with BCI cotton. The entire Avalon series is treated with our proprietary high-performance PFC-free finish. It's a breathable, water-repellent, and UV-resistant treatment. You can also opt for the fire-retardant fabric option, which you probably won't find in most other bell tents out there. Cotton canvas has natural UV protection and offers insulation in all weather conditions. The frame of the Avalon Bell Tent is made from galvanized steel. This means the poles are lightweight while being extremely sturdy. The frame consists of just the center pole and A-frame. It doesn't get simpler than that. The Avalon is equipped with our proprietary shock-absorbing ground system, so you can count on it to be stable in any kind of weather. The guidelines are made from UV reflective ropes, so you can safely navigate around your tent when it gets dark. The 5-foot tent door height and A-frame mean you can easily move any gear or furniture in and out of the tent, which makes the Avalon perfect for glamping setups. In total, there are 10 windows all around the tent, and 12 if you have the 20-foot Avalon. This gives you 360-degree views when you're hanging out inside. All the windows and doors are protected with a canvas layer on the outside, which you can zip up if it starts to get cold. There's also a layer of durable mesh, so you don't have to worry about bugs getting in the tent while you're asleep. You'll also find military-grade zippers on the doors and windows, which are built to last for years. All Avalon tents come with heat-resistant silicone-coated stove jacks. We include a 5-inch and 6-inch cutting pattern, so it's super easy to get going with your stove. All seams are double stitched and corners reinforced for added strength. The side walls are 3 feet and the center height starts at just over 8 feet, so you really feel the luxury and spaciousness when you're inside. Once you experience the standing room and walk around comfort, there's a good chance you'll find that no other bell tent comes close. You can easily fit furniture and gear inside to create a glamping setup or just hang out and enjoy the roominess that's unique to this tent. You'll also find 4 vents on the roof for ventilation when you're inside. It's safe to say that after you've experienced the Avalon, there's no going back. There's a built-in electrical cable outlet, so if you're near an electricity source, you have easy ways to get your devices charged. The tent also comes with a super durable 16-ounce polyvinyl zippered floor. With high walls and ceilings, 10 or more windows and sides you can roll up, the Avalon Bell Tents are designed for comfort and luxury when you're in the outdoors. The tent is available in 3 sizes, 13 feet, 16 feet, and 20 feet. So whether you're camping with family or setting up your own glamping site, you can find the size that's perfect for you. You can also choose between the standard water repellent or fire water repellent fabric options. The Avalon series, just like everything else from White Duck Outdoors, comes with free shipping, financing options, and our White Duck warranty. So if you're looking for a premium 4-season bell tent that looks just as good as it performs, choose the Avalon and reconnect now.